Afusa, have you heard? Shetunde head note. Rara, Edis Award ni. Have you heard about St Michael Cherubim and Seraphim Ìgbàlà Ṣẹ́gun ti ìlú Àró 32nd anniversary harvest Thanksgiving? Ṣé lóòótọ́ máa wẹ̀ happening live on Sunday, October 29th, 2023. So, garment wa ńkọ́, Afusa, I will advise you to get a new garment so you can be shining in his presence because the theme of the day is shining light. So in le jókòó sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mọ́mì. Orí pẹpẹ ni kó jókòó sí lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ daddy tàbí kó jókòó sáyé àwọn akọrin. Ó jọ item 7 wa ńkọ́. Afusa, don't even go there because there is much to eat and there is much to drink. Ẹ ó jẹ àjẹyó. Ẹ ó tún di lọlé. Wetin be this? Jesus. Afusa, please don't try to miss it o. Miss ike. Èyí ti dé okola. O ṣeun. Àbí ẹ pé Chef Afusa. Chef what? Lọ́jọ́ àjọ̀dún. Explosion. In fact, we are done. Camera cut. We are done. Cut.